In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. If shoppers see that message at checkout, it almost always means your shipping settings don't include their address. We'll walk through Shopify's admin to make sure your delivery profile and zones allow international orders and that the right products are attached. Open your Shopify admin on desktop so you can see all options clearly. First, head to Settings, then open Shipping and Delivery. This is the control center for how and where your products can be shipped. Inside, you'll see your delivery profiles. A delivery profile is a set of rules that ties specific products to specific destinations and rates. If you already have a profile set up, choose Edit. If you don't, open the default profile to configure it. Either way, we'll make sure it can accept orders from outside your home market. In the profile, locate the shipping zones. Your store might have a domestic zone and, separately, an international zone. Select the zone and confirm it's set to international. This tells Shopify to accept addresses from countries beyond your primary region. If you sell globally, ensure the international zone is active and aligns with your fulfillment capabilities, packaging, and carrier choices. Keeping this organized prevents customers from being blocked at checkout just because their country isn't included. Next, confirm the products you want to ship are actually using this profile. Choose the products you want to deliver within the same delivery profile. Assigning a product to the correct profile links it to the zones you just verified, so the system knows it can be shipped to those locations. This is especially important if you have items with different shipping rules, like lightweight accessories versus bulky items. When your zones and product assignments look correct, save your changes. Saving updates the rules Shopify uses during checkout, so the address validation reflects your new settings. Give it a moment to sync. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Consistency matters. If a product is restricted by weight, dimensions, or materials, keep it in a profile that reflects where you can legally and practically ship it. And if you run seasonal promos that change where you ship, revisit this same screen to keep everything accurate. That's it. By reviewing shipping and delivery, setting your delivery profile, confirming the international zone, assigning the right products, and saving, you'll remove the can't be shipped to your location roadblock and keep more customers moving through checkout.